What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to perform an overhead press with dumbbells correctly. So the difference between barbell and dumbbell overhead press is, first, with dumbbells you can get a greater range of motion because you can go more to the sides because there's no bar in the way, you know. So greater range of motion, more muscle engagement, more gains. Now the second most important reason is why I use dumbbells and why you should too is when you perform barbells all the time, eventually your stronger side is going to make up for the weaker side. So you're going to have some muscle imbalances. And when you have muscle imbalances, you have to use dumbbells because dumbbells, they use the same weight and the same rep range. So they have to use, so each side has to make up for the same load, you know. So eventually those muscle imbalances are going to even out. Now let's start with the overhead press. First, like always, feet shoulder width apart, grab a pair of dumbbells, you know, clean them up to your shoulders so they're just slightly touching your shoulders. They don't have to rest on your sides, you know, just slightly touching your shoulders. That's the starting position. Now you inhale, squeeze your core and explode up. And when you're at the top of the movement, really see to it that you extend all the way up because that's the full range of motion. And you want to be doing the full range of motion. So explode up, bam, extending. Then you go down slowly, you know, so you explode up and you go down slowly. When you go down, you exhale and you go down slowly to keep tension on the shoulders. Now here's another set. So grab those dumbbells, you know, get into position, feet about shoulder width apart, you know, and you can start the exercise. Now I was looking up because I didn't want to bang the dumbbells up on the freaking ceiling, you know, so I had to be careful. So clean the weights up. They're slightly touching my shoulders. Squeeze your core, your abs, and explode up, extending all the way up. So inhale, squeeze your abs, explode up, bam, go down slowly, keep tension, back to the starting position. Now don't overextend, you know, at the movement down or at the starting position because you can easily get injured. You can easily injure your shoulders, you know, because a lot of people don't have that much flexibility in the shoulder, you know, so you can get injured pretty easily. So be careful with how far you go to the sides. Now, the most important tip is have a straight back, you know, no arch, and the exercise should be performed from the starting position to up to back down in a straight line. So you see, I'm not going forward or back or wiggling around. My back is straight and I'm going in a straight line. That's a perfect, you know, dumbbell overhead press. And guys, keep in mind, it's so important to really focus on perfect form, you know, perfect form and full range of motion. That's so important. You're going to be free of injuries. You're going to have more muscle gains. It's just going to be overall better. So this is the last set I'm going to show you. This is in daytime, so the lighting is a little bit better. So you can see a lot more of the form. So you see, go down slowly, keeping tension. Just slightly touching my shoulders, pause, inhale, squeeze the core, explode up. Pause at the top, just a second, go down slowly, bam, touch the shoulder blades, explode back up. You see, that's a perfect rep. Slowly, tension, inhale, squeeze core, explode. So that was basically it. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe.